Welcome to the new segment of the grade 9th. We are discussing history, 4th chapter, forest, society and colonialism. In that today we are going to discuss about question and answers. Two question answers we are discussing today. Again tomorrow two question answers from your exercise part, page number 96. First question is, discuss how the changes in the forest management in the colonial period affected the following groups of people. The first one, shifting cultivators. Answer you can write like this. Here they are given 5 sub questions of the main question. First one is shifting cultivators. Second one, nomadic and pastoralate communities. Third one, friends trading in timber forest produce. Fourth one, plantation owners. Fifth one, kings, British officials engaged in shikar or hunting. So let's first sub question, that is shifting cultivators. You can write answers like this. Shifting cultivators practices slash and burn agriculture. In this practice, parts of the forest are cut and burnt in rotation. European foresters regarded these practices as harmful for the forests. They felt that such land could not be used for growing trees for railway timber and was dangerous while being burnt, as it could start a forest fire. This type of cultivation also made difficult for the government to calculate taxes. Thus, colonial government banned shifting cultivation. As a result, many communities were forcibly displaced from their homes in the forests. Some had to change occupations, while some rested through large and small rebellions. Second one, nomadic and pastoralate communities. Answer, the reservation of forest area by the British government also related the fat of many nomadic postal communities like the Korowa, Karacha and Erukula of the Madras presidency lost their means of livelihood. Earlier, these people and their cattle dependent totally on the forest, from which they were deprived because of the new forest management. Some of these communities began to be called criminal tribes and were forced to work in factories, mines, and plantations under government supervision. Thus, these people were forced to operate within new systems and reorganized their lives. Third one, Freems trading and timber forest produce. The trading in timber producers were given a sole trading rights to trade in the forest products of particular areas. They made huge profits and became richer. The entire timber and forest trade passed on to them. They became powerful and began to cut down indiscriminate. Fourth one, plantation owners planted that more and more forest land for plantations had made it clear that their system of forestry would be scientific factory. Plantation owners began to reap profit as the British government gave large area for forest land to European planters. Fifth one, King's British officials engaged in shikar. While the forest dwellers were deprived of their right to hunt deer, partridges, and a variety of small animals, the Indian kings and British officials were allowed to hunt freely in the reserved forest under the colonial rule. The hunting increased to such as extent that various species become extinct. A large number of tigers, leopards, owls, were killed as sporting trophy, hunting or shikar become a sport. Later, the environmentalists and conservers realize many species of animals needed to be protected and not killed. So this is the first question. Tomorrow we'll discuss remaining question and answers. Thank you.